It got a great taste.
Can I have a sip, please?
Of course, why not?
Wow, you just can't simply resist.
Oh, really? Can I have my cup of?
Please, I have never tasted the tea of this nature. From now, all it is Cameroon City ET, Cameroon City ET, Cameroon City ET.
Ha 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 ha. Get a cup of Cameroon City ET. Enjoy the goodness and the greatness of natural tea. The taste of Daura tea is a taste of goodness.
Cameroon City ET is from natural source, which contain all you will need for a tea and for your family. And above all, it gets a great taste. So go get your Cameroon City ET for your breakfast, lunch and dinner.
Cameroon City ET,
so special. Get yours and be special.